So I've gotten a lot of questions from my students asking me to provide some feedback about their GitHub repository or about their projects on some sort of GitHub link. And immediately the question arises, how do I go through tons of GitHub repository automatically and immediately get the gist of what the system looks like? Here's what I do. I go to any terminal, I clone the repository just like what I do here. And all I do is to use Win360 CLI. Type in Win360, kick off a session. Then all I gotta do is to point to the particular folder and tell me to write a system diagram. So all I say is to go to this folder, read the system, and give me an ASCII style diagram. And boom, just like that. It will bring up the analysis of the system and will write it out in a nice framework that's in the style that I can overview immediately and get the gist of what the application is about. Awesome. Now I can say, find the weak spots or areas of improvement for me and summarize it in a report. And boom, just like that, I have a list of bullet points of to-do item along with priority alignment in front of me. So then I can figure out what are some of the to-do items that's required that can potentially be implemented based on whatever user experience that we are expecting here. And everything is saved in a markdown file called system improvements, to which then I can open the left and find that file. I can then open it and evaluate the details one by one. This allows me to quickly get the gist of what the application is if someone provides a GitHub repository, and then I can immediately look into the areas of improvement just like that, which helps me from the POV of a product manager to take a look at what the system is and what are some opportunities to make it better. Thank you for watching. If you haven't checked out Win360, you should definitely check it out.